Welcome to my channel, Not Your Average Vegan. My name is Chkn, and I'm a self-taught chef who's here to make your transition to adapting a plant-based diet a lot easier. Join me as I make easy and delicious meals. I'll show you some product reviews, what it's like to be a traveling vegan, and also how to use plant-based substitutes. Sometimes I will feature my 2-year-old daughter who also eats a plant-based diet. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and check out some of my great content. I hope you stay around, and I look forward to interacting with you. Don't forget, plants are fuel. Jumping right into this video, I'm starting off with some young green jackfruit that was canned in brine. I rinsed it off and boiled it for about 30 minutes just to get the brine taste out, and now I have let it cool. Next, I'm going to be adding some toasted almonds. I bought them sliced and toasted them in a pan on the stove myself. I'm also going to go ahead and add in some celery and some dried cranberries as well. And so now to bind everything together, I'm going to go ahead and use some vegan mayo. This was my first time trying this brand of vegan mayo, and I liked it. It wasn't super thick, which is something that I like, but it was really creamy. And to add in some freshness, I'm going to go ahead and add in some lemon juice. Now you want to go ahead and give everything a really good mix and just make sure that you get the mayonnaise all spread out. Here I'm just going to go ahead and season it. So all I used was some salt, pepper, and then a little bit of sugar. I gave it one more really good mix, and then that was it. Guys, you can eat this on a sandwich with crackers as I did, or by itself if you would like, but it was really tasty. And the jackfruit texture was really close to chicken as usual, so I did enjoy that part of it. So here's the final product. I wanted to give you guys a texture shot just so you can see how the jackfruit actually does look like chicken. This is a super quick and easy snack, and it's also full of flavor. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.